Hello, this is Daniel from Headless Studio, and I'm going to show you how to set up Headless Movie Capture. Okay, let's start. You should have installed the Headless Movie Capture package, and you should have these folders. If you have a previous version, please remove the folder before installing the new version. So let's look at our camera. This is the new HDRP template. So we have our camera here. Let's start our component. So it should have some information on top showing if everything is okay. It's detecting we are using HDRP new version. You have the capture button to start capturing. It starts playing basically. You have the capture toggle, which is more used for when you are controlling the component through a script. Here is in the special case if your videos turn flipped, you can unflip them here. These are performance and settings, you don't need to worry about them. Or preset system, where you have nice presets. You are going to start with a file. Or target FPS, and if you want real time or not. We want real time recording, and let's turn audio. This is the codec part we're going to do in H.264, and this is the normal settings for the encoding. The output settings, I'm going to leave it as is. So let me just do okay. So everything is fine. Let's start capturing. And there we go. Let's move around a little bit. This is a nice sample, by the way. We have some particles here and some fog around this area. Okay, let's see what we end up with. Let me turn a null test. So this is our scene. As you guys can see, it's pretty stable. You don't see any frame drops. And you aren't hearing the audio, but believe me, it's there. Now I'm going to show you some nice little trick, like doing local streaming. It can be on another computer, but let's do it right here. I'm going to enable show FPS. It will show over on the top a small information showing how many FPS we are running and what is the overhead of our component. So let's start playing. Let me open VLC. Just putting this aside, and let's open network stream, paste it, start. Oh, something went wrong. Oh, there it is. As you can see, it's streaming. There is always a small delay when doing live streaming, but I think it's not that bad. And that's it. Hope we can publish some new tutorials for Headless Movie Capture. See you next time.